In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and edit time in your time card. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Time. Once you arrive in your time section, your card might come up automatically. If it doesn't, go to your new top menu bar and click on Card. If you need to view or edit a specific shift on your time card, make sure you're looking at the correct week. TeamWork 5 will automatically bring up the current week. If you want to look at a week in a past, you can use the backwards arrow or the forwards arrow, or you can click the calendar icon and choose a specific date. Now notice when I go backwards, I can't click on any of these shifts. That's because I have already worked and been paid for those days. Once that pay period is over, you cannot change anything in your time card. If I go forward, the current week I can change. Right now I only have one scheduled shift in my coming week's calendar. If I need to edit that time card shift, I can click on it, and now I can view everything I need to know about that shift. If this shift needs to be modified, I could change the date by clicking on the calendar and choose a different date. I'm going to leave it at 27. Let's say that my manager asked me to come in early. I can change this time by clicking on the clock and selecting 7:30 instead of 8. I could do the same thing if my time was different in the afternoon by clicking on that clock. I can view my break hours. Often those are automatically set up by your manager and you don't have to do anything. I'm going to go ahead and add a half hour of break, and TeamWork 5 will automatically calculate how many hours I'm going to be paid for. That's what that green 8 is signaling. Then I can see the location, and I can't change it in this case. I can also view the project or task, or really what I'll be doing at work that day. If that is wrong, I can click on this drop-down arrow and choose a different option from the menu. I can also see my activity, and I can change that by clicking on that arrow. And let's say I'm actually going to be doing inventory, so I'll click there. I might need to leave a note like asked to come in early, just to remind my manager that they told me to change it. If my manager leaves any notes, I can view them here, but I can't change them. And then if I need to alert my manager, I can do that by clicking this drop-down arrow and selecting yes. I'm going to go ahead and save those changes by clicking save. If I didn't want to save them, I would click close. I do, so I'm going to choose save. Now I'm going to go back to that same shift, scroll down and click on split. If for some reason I need to split that shift, I can do that here. When you click on split shift, you will automatically see the time for the current shift at the top, and then you can adjust anything as needed and hit save to actually split that shift. I'm going to hit close because I don't want to split it. And that's how you view and edit time in your time card. To learn how to add a whole new set of hours to your time card, check out the next video.